You might think space is silent, but did you know the sun actually produces sound? NASA has captured the sun's vibrations using specialized instruments, revealing an eerie, deep hum. Take a listen. The sounds you've heard come from pressure waves traveling through the sun's plasma. However, since space is a vacuum, we can't hear them naturally. NASA's data converts these waves into audible frequencies, allowing us to hear the sun for the first time. This is a reminder for us that even in the vast silence of space, the universe is full of energy and motion.